New year, new goals. And here at Legato Heights, we're taking it a notch higher and the floors even higher. My name is Juliet Badibidarimo, a property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. And this 2026 is not just about promises, it's about progress you can see, touch, and invest in. Engineer Lawrence, thank you so much for having me here today.
Me too. You're welcome.
It's a new year.
Sure.
What major milestones are we looking at achieving this year?
Yes, this year, all fingers crossed and all things being equal, we look at getting the 20th floor by the end year.
That's amazing.
Sure.
We're currently on what, the 7th floor?
We're on the 7th floor.
Okay,
Yes.
I'll definitely hold you to that.
And we're doing a floor in 3 weeks.
Oh, that's
By
impressive.
calculation,
You should be done with the 20. I'm holding you to this, Engineer Lawrence. So it's a new month. What has happened over the past month?
Over the past month, we were able to get the 7th floor ready or cast.
Yes.
Now we are almost about 60% into getting the 8th floor cast.
I see the columns come up so well.
Yes, the columns are also about 80%.
Completed.
So
Okay.
in 2 weeks, we should have the 8th floor.
Okay. Someone told me that the view is amazing, even from the 5th floor. I can see the ocean. How true is that?
Yes, it's very true.
Okay.
It's very true.
Okay.
And
So if you need an ocean view, please do reach out to Val Real Estate Ghana today.
Sure.
Also, the backfilling. Is there anything you can tell us about that?
Yeah, the backfilling, it's about 80% around the tower. It's about
80% completed.
Yes,
Okay.
that-
Okay. We're definitely looking forward to that. Aside that, is there anything else our clients should know?
Yes, we are on course with the block work as well,
Okay.
which is, we are
Steadily
getting ready to,
progressing.
Yes, we are on the 3rd floor, getting to the 4th floor.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's gradually following the construction of the structure itself.
Okay. So how about the schedule? Are we currently?
Yes, we are way on schedule. We are, let's say, ahead
of schedule.
Yes,
Okay.
ahead of schedule.
Thank you so much for having us here today.
You're welcome.
I hope to see you again next month.
Thank you.
Legato Heights is more than a building. It's a lifestyle of growth, comfort, and sophistication. Flexible payment plans, custom layout, and thoughtfully designed spaces let you step into a home that complements your ambitions. Whether it's your first home, your next move, or a strategic investment, this is where modern living meets lasting value. This is the year you elevate your lifestyle and upgrade your investment portfolio. Explore flexible payment plans and custom plans with Legato Heights. Your future home is waiting. To stay informed, stay connected. Follow us on all our social media platforms.